Hi everyone, Lindsay O'Brien from Bay Realty, Michigan. I'm here at 4786 Birnbaum Drive in Rueger Farms. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 ranch. I'm going to take you on a video walkthrough, so let's take a look in the inside. Welcome, let's take a look around. Welcome to the spacious living room. In the back is a wooded backyard, completely fenced in, and it's open concept to the dining room and kitchen. Laundry is on the main level. And here we are in the primary suite with 2 large closets. One is a walk-in, and it also connects into the primary bathroom.
This primary suite has a jetted tub.
Take a look at this walk-in closet and all of this storage space. And a beautiful full bathroom on the main level. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3.
This is the basement. We have really tall ceilings in the basement. We have 3 windows, 3 egress windows, lets in a lot of light. It's currently being used as an art studio, but as you can see, there's plenty of room for another bedroom, and it's plumbed for another bath.
Thank you for joining us at 4786 Birnbaum. We'd love to show you this beautiful home, so give us a call today.
Come check it out.